How to invest in Metaverse. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can invest in Metaverse and get started. You will be able to make a lot of money investing in Metaverse. Metaverse is the future, and today I will be showing you how you can invest in Metaverse. If you have no idea from where to start, let's get started and get into the video. So first of all, you need to understand what is Metaverse. Well, Metaverse is a virtual reality, and it's a world that we can join and we can buy stuff in Metaverse. We can play games, we will be able to trade, and we will be able to buy land to secure our property in the Metaverse. It's trending and it's everywhere. It's the future and everybody is interested in it. Even when Meta, Facebook also said that they will also be creating their own Metaverse, which is going to be like a social Metaverse now. And but even before that, a lot of Metaverses exist, and one of the famous one is Sandbox. Now Sandbox is actually a Metaverse game, but it is kind of like a Metaverse that has been created in which you can go and you can play games and you can create your own games as well. So I am right now on sandbox.com, which is a Metaverse, and you can play and create games in it. We can buy land in Sandbox. A lot of famous people such as Snoop Dogg has also bought land in Sandbox. So this is one of the very famous metaverses out there, and due to its popularity, I think we should start from here. And if you are a beginner, you can go ahead and check out Sandbox. How to get started? Well, you can sign in or sign up to Sandbox with your Facebook, Twitter, or Google. That's how easy it is. If you have a crypto wallet, then you can go with MetaMask or you can go with a Coinbase wallet. I personally sign in with my MetaMask. Getting a MetaMask is really easy. You can go ahead and go to metamask.io and you will be able to get your own crypto wallet which works on Ethereum. So we have a MetaMask wallet now. We have a crypto wallet, and we also know about a Metaverse. Now, how to invest in it? We don't want to play games. We don't want to go in the Metaverse and enjoy. Whenever there is something new is introduced, there are a lot of opportunities that come with it. So what we need to do is we need to invest in the Metaverse so that we can make money, and it's going to be a very good investment. So one way to invest in the Metaverse is of course NFTs, the non-fungible tokens. If we just talk about Sandbox, okay? Even in Sandbox, everything is going to be NFT. The characters, the building you're going into, the sofa you're sitting on, the glass you're holding, the picture on the wall, everything is NFT. And where these NFTs are coming from? Well, we can create these NFTs and we can sell them in the Metaverse, and we can go ahead and create these assets. These are going to be my assets, and I can actually sell it to people and make a lot of money with it. So NFTs are actually one of the easiest way and most famous way to invest in the Metaverse. Now you can create any kind of NFT. Right now I am on OpenSea.io, which is an NFT marketplace. I also create NFTs here. We can also create like 3D NFTs. You might have heard about Cyberconk's World of Women. So if you have one of those NFTs, you can actually use that NFT in your metaverse that you're creating. And a lot of people want to get more cool NFTs to decorate their place in the metaverse. So I would suggest if you're looking to invest in a metaverse, then you should definitely go ahead and create an NFT collection and create assets for a metaverse, because that's one of the most important thing, the different assets that we will be using in the metaverse. So create those assets and invest in metaverse. Second way you can invest in a metaverse is going to be buying a land. Now this is one of the very famous way to invest, and a lot of people are doing this, but for that you will also need money because we need to buy a land in metaverse. Now hear me out. You'll be like, okay, how to buy a land? We are a complete beginner. We have no idea how to buy a land in the metaverse. Well, it's super easy. Again, the land is also NFT. You need to just buy a land in the form of NFT. So go to OpenSea and you'll be able to find their collection, the Sandbox collections. I'll just open it up. This is the project right here created on OpenSea. Now, if I just scroll down, I will be able to show you all the lands available. So you can see right here that we have this land in the metaverse. This is its location. If I go to Sandbox and if I go to map, I will be able to find this land. So you can see all of these lands and they're not that expensive, to be honest. They're like right now you will be able to find lands in like 2 Ethereum, and then this one is 3 Ethereum. But the land, it's from low to high. I my filter. And you can see right here, I can buy a land for 2 Ethereum. That's it. With just 2 Ethereum, I can buy a land in the metaverse. But 2 Ethereum at the time of making this video is $2,000. That's it. So if you're watching this video, you should definitely go ahead and buy a land right now because the prices are actually very low. But this land that I will be buying for 2 Ethereum, I can use it and I can later in my life, I can sell it for 100 Ethereum if I like. I can sell it. Of course, the price will go up and the importance will be going up in the future when there will be a lot more people in the metaverse, when there will be no land available and people will be looking to buy lands. Then they can buy my land for 100 Ethereum, but I bought that land for just like 2 Ethereum right now. So that's how good investment it is to buy land in the metaverse. So right now, if you want to buy a good land that is actually in the popular areas, that is surrounded by some of the very famous owners and lands and area. So every area has its own difference, right? Even in the real world. So you can see the areas that have famous neighborhood. These are very, very, very expensive. So you can see right here, this land is 18,000 Ethereum right now. So 18,000 Ethereum is like double the money because right now Ethereum is like $1,000. So it's like going to be, it's already 18,000. So you can just multiply 18,000 by 1,000. So that's how it is. So you can see this one is really, really expensive, and the prices of these lands have actually also increased. Why? Because Ethereum has kind of like just $1,000 right now. So that is why they have also increased the prices. But you can find a really good land that was like $70. I think a month ago I was checking out the lands and they were like $70 and $60 and they were really good land. So that land is still 80 Ethereum. Then I can just buy it for less price than it were a month ago. So that's how it works. But I can of course buy a land and invest in metaverse. Some of the other ways to invest in metaverse is creating your own business. So you can create a store in the metaverse. You can get a store. It's like getting a store in the real world, and how you make money with it. You can just sell your products and invest in your store, and you will be able to sell the products and you will have a store in the metaverse. So that's like amazing because people will be looking for different things, variables, food. So you can just create a store. We can also invest in metaverse tokens and metaverse coins. If you've heard about Solana, now Solana is one of the coins that is connected to metaverse. So you can go ahead and invest in Solana. You can invest in Sand. You can invest in Mana. So these are the different coins and tokens that are actually related to metaverses. So you will be investing in coins and in tokens that will go high when metaverse will go high. So you will have these assets and you will be able to buy land. You will be able to do whatever you want to do because you have actually invested in the base of the metaverse. You have invested in Mana and Sand, the tokens, the coins on which the metaverse is working. So if you have invested in Mana and when the metaverse is going up, you're making more money. It's like your business is growing. If you have invested in Sand, then when Sandbox, when that metaverse will be growing and making more money, then you will be making money because you have invested in that asset, in you have invested in Sandbox directly. So this is actually the most reliable and easy way and most trusted way to invest in metaverse, by investing in coins and by investing in the metaverse tokens. Now I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Keep in mind, this is a tutorial for you guys to show you what are the different ways to invest in the metaverse, because investing in crypto, investing in meta, buying coin, it involves a high degree of risk. So do it on your own risk and make sure that you truly understand metaverse and you truly understand trading and investing. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to invest in metaverse. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.